Okay, for 58, they want us to do a little review, evaluating expressions. So for A, right, we have the cube root of something. That means, again, this isn't work you need to show, but I'm just showing you what we're thinking about. We need to multiply a number by itself 3 times and get 27. So I just try in order. I tried 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. That's not good. 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Times 3 is 27. So we get the cubed root of 27 equals 3, right? Okay. For B, we have the square root of 144. So what times itself is 144? Well, 10 times itself is 100. 11 times itself is 121. 12 times itself is 144. For C, we have the square root of 3 squared. Well, 3 squared, you can do this 2 ways. You can say the square root cancels out the square and you're left with 3. That's the easy way, right? If you forget that, which hopefully by now you don't, you could take 3 squared and get 9 and then take the square root and get 3. But again, you shouldn't need to do that. You should just see that this radical, the square root, cancels out the squared and you're left with 3, right? Okay. And D is the fourth root of 2 to the fourth. Fourth root of 2 to the fourth. And again, the fourth root here cancels out the fourth power and we're left with 2.